Alright guys, so we are going to walk on the beach. We just went down the stairs because we don't like taking the elevator. Because every time I go in an elevator, I feel like I'm gonna get stuck. So I have claustrophobia, so that's why there's this little fountain here. And then up there is the pool, and I'll walk you guys through it. But yeah, so we're gonna walk on the beach. It's just me and my mom. My grandfather's on his computer doing some work or business stuff, and then my grandmother's on the phone with her doctor's office, and then she's gonna go out and go to the library and return a book and then get a book, and then she's gonna go get her car washed. So we're just occupying ourselves with going to the beach, and I'm also gonna put my feet in the ocean. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Yeah. There are a lot of palm trees here because it's the Palmetto State for a reason. It is started back in the Revolutionary War when they started having palmettos, and I need to go and pay attention because I almost missed the stairs. Not fall on them, but it's nice. It's 80 degrees here. I'm wearing short sleeve Rolling Stone shirt and then ripped jeans from the Gap and then Crocs. I wore them with socks earlier, but I decided I want to get my feet wet, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, my heart rate's going up a little because I'm walking a little faster, so that's good. I never had that spray thing there before, but I've never seen it. Yeah. So earlier today, we went to the Hollywood Wax Museum in Myrtle Beach, and we went to, where else did we go? We went to Panera for lunch, and we went on my grandfather and I, we went on a sky ride in Myrtle Beach because they have a little bit of amusement park rides. Yeah, right now we are on the beach, and this is the view. Looks nice. I will turn my camera around and show you guys what the ocean looks like. But let's go put our feet in the water, shall we? Please keep up. This brings back memories because my cousins and I, we always used to come out here on our bathing suits when I was younger. This was over 5 years ago. And yeah, so it's just really nice to come out here on this beautiful day. So dinner tonight, my grandmother's making it. We're having meatballs and tomato sauce over egg noodles. Don't step in that. But so yeah, I'm not gonna drop my phone in the ocean, do not worry, because I'm a cautious vlogger. My mom has her flip-flops on, and I should have brought 4 pairs of shoes, but I did not. I only brought 3. What? My Crocs? Whoa, this is cold. I'm only standing at where it comes to your feet because of safety reasons, and because also I didn't bring my bathing suit with me down here, so this is a little bit of a issue, but I can manage. I can work with that. Woo. Oh, this is so cold. Mom, you want to come in? Look how far back the tides are. But yeah, so. And the condos are right back there. Oh my goodness. But yeah, sorry for the late vlog last night, guys. I just had a lot going on yesterday. I warned you. My mother just said, "Oh my God, it's cold." I'm like, I just told you it's cold. How'd you not hear that? But yeah, there's a lot of people on the beach, and I saw somebody earlier outside the condo window that goes to the ocean, the back, the deck, or like the patio or whatever you want to call it. And there was this little girl in like a cute red and blue bathing suit. She was doing cartwheels. It was so cute. But yeah.
It's really cool.
I know. Alright, so we just walked into the ocean, and I got the bums of my jeans wet, but it's okay because there's some. We might need to use the hose water thing, but hold on, let me give you a view. Oh, here's the ocean. Sorry, it's a little blurry. It's not that clear. So yeah, so here's the ocean. It goes all the way down there and all the way down there. This ocean probably stretches for like a few miles at least. Like 75% of our Earth is made up of water, and I can clearly see why. All this right here. This is so peaceful and so calming. And sometimes, if you're in South Carolina, like for like a little bit of time, and you stay, if you have people that live here, you can, if their deck goes out to the ocean, you can see like the tides, and at nighttime the pools light up once it gets dark, and it's so fun to see. They have a hot tub, they have a kiddie pool and an adult pool, and I'll show you what I'm talking about once we make our way back up there. So yeah, and I did the wax museum, and I'm gonna forward the pictures, like once my mother sends them to me, but I will have a video up earlier tonight. But yeah, tomorrow we're doing the Charleston Aquarium. This is just awesome. And other people don't know that I'm filming them. But it's okay. They can't even hear that I'm vlogging. Stand here all day. Alright. See you guys back near the hose or near the pool. This is the pool. And that right there is the hot tub. That's the fountain. Over there, where my mother's sitting. So right now we are walking down the pathway, the road, whatever you want to call this. We're gonna go and see if we can find some baby alligators. Don't worry, they're not gonna come up and attack me, but there's like this little water with alligators and stuff. So yeah. And my grandmother used to take pictures of me when I was like 4 years old. So this is an experience, and my mother is not paying attention to where she's going. But what? That's not the sidewalk. That's a grass wall. Oh, okay. But yeah. We were in Charleston yesterday, and my mother tripped like several times. Like if you're in Charleston, South Carolina, be careful. It's not like Boston where you can walk on flat ground. You have to be careful of the sidewalks because you can trip over them. Like they're so dangerous. Yeah, be careful with the Charleston sidewalks. I mean, the airport sidewalk is like Boston, but like once you go past the airport district, you're doomed because it's just nothing but heck. I mean, it's a beautiful city, but it's just not. You just shouldn't. Ooh, the up sky. But you just shouldn't, like, you know, just pay attention to where you're going, people. Never vlog and walk, but I know where I'm going, so I'm not worried. Okay, I'll see you when we get to the little thingy, the water. Here's the water, and here's sometimes where the alligators are, or they're on the other side. But and there's like where all the cars come in. Well, if you live here. There are birds out there. There are birds out there. I think I see an alligator. Or are those ducks? I don't know.